My dear students, welcome to my online class. Hopefully all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. This is Ghulam Mustafa, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today I am going to discuss Higher Mathematics exercise 3.2, that is part of geometry. Let's start. Here see that I have written a question number 15 from exercise 3.2. This is CQ. Question is, in triangle PQR, medians PM, QN and RS intersect at point O. Here see that in the figure, PQR a triangle where PM, QN and RS three median, and the three median intersect at point O. By using this scheme, have to solve A, B and C. Now first one. Here see that the question says, what is the name point O? In what ratio does point O divide PM? Here see that O is the intersecting point of three median. We already know in any triangle the intersecting point of median is called centroid. Okay, and also know that centroid divide the median as the ratio 2:1. So we can write for A, O is the centroid of triangle PQR. O is called centroid of triangle PQR, and O divide the median PM as ratio 2:1. Okay, O divide PM in ratio 2:1. I hope everybody clear. Now B. Establish the relation PQ square plus PR square equals to 2 into PM square plus QM square. Okay, so at first write a short description to prove this B. So now part B. Here see that in PQR triangle, the median PM, QN and RS intersect at O. So write a description in triangle of PQR, median PQ, PM, RS, QN intersect at point O. Draw PD perpendicular to QR line. So draw, to prove this relation, draw PD perpendicular to line QR. Now proof. Follow this fully, concentration how to prove this. Here see that PQM is a triangle where M is obtuse angle. We draw PD perpendicular to prove this relation. Here see that PQM, here M is obtuse angle and PD is a perpendicular line. So we can use the Pythagoras extension formula according to the obtuse angle. Okay, so we know the Pythagoras extension theorem. So in triangle you can write in triangle PQM, here angle QMP is obtuse angle. So by Pythagoras extension theorem we can write PQ square equals to opposite of two side square, that means PM square plus QM square, PM square plus QM square, and then perpendicular line is outside the obtuse angle, so plus 2 into QM into MD, 2 into QM into MD. Mark this as equation 1. Also in triangle of PMR, here see that angle M is acute angle. Also here we can use the Pythagoras extension theorem according to the obtuse angle, according to the acute angle. Here PMR acute angle. So in triangle of PMR, where PMR, angle PMR is acute angle, acute angle. So we can write Pythagoras extension formula, PR square equals to opposite of some two side square, so PM square plus RM square, PM square plus RM square, and the perpendicular line, perpendicular PD inside the acute angle, so minus 2 into RM, 2 into RM into MD. Mark this equation 2. Okay, now sum of equation 1 and 2. Add the equation 1 and 2 as like that, 1 plus 2. Let's see that. So PQ square, we can write PQ square plus PR square equals to PM square plus PM square, that means 2 PM square, and then QM square plus RM square, QM square plus RM square, and then plus 2 QM into MD, 2 QM into MD. Okay, so this part write down, right? So 2 QM into MD, and then minus 2 RM, 2 RM into MD. Okay, but here see that M is the middle point of QR because PM is the median, so we can write QM equals to MR. So we have replaced RM as equal of QM because RM and QM are equal, because M is the middle point of this line QR. So PQ square plus PR square equals to 2 PM square plus, here see that QM square and RM square, two side are equal because QM square plus RM, two line equal, M is the middle point, so replace RM as QM, so QM square plus QM square, 2 QM square, and then plus 2 QM into MD, 2 QM into MD, and then minus 2 RM, RM replace as QM, so we can write 2 QM into MD. Okay, inside note we can write as, therefore QM equal RM. Okay, or we can write M is the middle point of QR. Okay, here see that 2 QM into MD and plus 2 QM into MD, two part is plus and minus opposite, so we can finish there. And the next part, right upper side, so it is this part. Okay, now see that we can write PQ square plus PR square equals to 2 into common part 2 PM square plus QM square, PM square plus QM square. So this is relation is proved, we can write proved. I hope everybody cleared this. Now see, show that the sum of square of three sides of triangle PQR is 3 times the sum of square of distance of the 3 vertices from O. That means we have to prove the C is sum of square of three side, that means PQ square plus PR square plus QR square, sum of three side square equals to 3 times the distance from O to the vertices point. So from O distance, the vertices point is OP, OQ and OR. So 3 times of the distance from O is equal to 3 into PO plus QO and then plus RO. We have to prove this. Okay. Now see, follow this process, how to prove it. From B we can write here, see that from B we can write as a PM median PQ square plus PR square equals to 2 into PM square plus QM square. Similarly, we can write QN as a median. We can write PQ square plus QR square equals to 2 into QN square plus RN square. Okay, and then again imagine RS as a median. We can write PR square plus QR square equals to 2 into RS square plus QS square. Okay, so mark this equation 1, 2 and 3. Now add these 3 equations. Okay, now add these 3 equations, that means 1 plus 2 plus and 3. Adding these 3 equations we can write here, see the calculation process. If we add this 3 equations in left hand side, see that PQ square plus PQ square, that means 2 PQ square. Again PR square plus PR square, 2 PR square, and then QR square, so 2 QR square. Again here multiply by 2, 2 PM square plus 2 QM square and then plus 2 QN square plus 2 RN square and then plus 2 RS square plus 2 QS square, 2 QS square. Here see that in right hand side PM median and QN median and RS median. Okay, so closing this 3 part consider, but here 2 as a common, PQ square plus PR square and plus QR square, here QR square, so QR square. Okay, now in here see that from PM, QN and RS, these 3 are median, so these 3 consider as close. So PM square plus QN square and then plus R square, and then rest part 2 into QM square and then plus RN square and then plus QS square. Okay, now to prove this, technically we multiply 2 in this equation. So here multiply by 2 both sides, left hand side and right hand side. So 4, this is the technique to prove this PR square plus QR square equals to multiply by 2, 4 PM square plus QN square and plus RS square, and then next part 4 QM square plus 4 RN square and then QS square. Okay, now next part calculation, we have to erase this part. So erasing this part for solving next part. Okay, so last line here see that 4 PQ square, PR square and QR square, right? This part 4 PQ square plus PR square and then plus QR square. Okay, and equals to 4 PM square, 4 PM square plus QN square and then plus RS square. Okay, and then last part here see that 4 QM square, QM is here, so 4 QM we can write as 2 into QM whole square. Okay, because 4 QM square we can write 2 QM whole square, and then 4 RN square we can write 2 RN square, and then 4qs square. If we multiply by 4qs square, we can write 2qs square. Okay, technically we can write as like that. Okay, here see that now this is left hand side pq square, pr square, and then qr square. Okay, unchanged. And in right hand side 4 pm square plus qn square plus rs square, and plus here see that qm and m are equal because m is the middle point, so we can write as 2qm is equal to qr. 2qm we can write qr because qm into qm, that means qm plus qm, mr, that is m qr. So we can write 2qm equals to qr, so qr square, and then 2rn, here see that 2rn equals to pr square, this is plus sign. Okay, and then plus 2qs equals to pq square, and closing by first bracket. Here see that pq square, pr square, and qr square, here is 1, and here see that 4 pq square, pr square, and qr square. If we transfer in left hand side, and 4 pq square, pr square, and qr square, and then minus 1 part, so we can write rest part is 3 pq square plus pr square plus qr square, because this inside bracket part and this part are equal, same, so we can minus subtract from this left hand side. So in right hand side 4 pm square plus qn square, and then rs square. Okay, now here see that, okay, this is considered as equation 4. Now next part, we have to prove this equation, but we know that all median intersect 2:1 ratio. Median, here see that PM intersect O as 2:1 ratio. We can write median intersect each other. Median intersect each other 2:1 ratio. So we can write PO divide the ratio of OM equals to PO consider 2 and OM consider as 1, but technically we can write OM divided by PO equals to 1 divided by 2, but now using component do, here by using component do we can write, here see that OM plus PO divided by PO. Component do is, we know that component do, that means numerator plus denominator, and right hand side equals to numerator plus denominator 1 plus 2, and denominator unchanged, just use only component do. So inside note you can write by component do. Okay, and then OM plus PO we can write as OM plus PO equals to PM divided by PO equals to 2 plus 1, that means 3 by 2, so we can write as 2 PM equals to 3 PO. Okay, now you can square both sides, that means 4 PM square equals to 9 PO square. We can write 4 PM square equals to 9 PO square by squaring, because from equation 4 we use this value. Okay, from in equation 4, but 4 PM square, here see that 4 PM square equals to 9 PO square, we get this. And similarly we can write 4 QN square, here see that 4 QN PM square, that means 4 QN square equals to 9 QA square. And similarly again write 4 QR square QS RS square equals to 9 RO square. Okay, so follow this. It is this part again, but equation 4 we need the equation 4 according to this. Okay, similarly we can write as similarly here see that 4 pm square equals to 9 po square. So you can write again 4 qn square. Similarly 4 qn square equals to 9 qo square. And similarly 4 rs square, we can write 4 rs square equals to 9 ro square. So using this value equation 4 we can get, using this value equation 4, here 4 pm square. So you can write 4 pm square equals to 9 po square. Okay, again write this, because this 3 value we can put in equation, we have to put in equation 4. Okay, now see this. Just write down here, putting this in equation 4 and then putting this value in equation 4. Okay, we get here, see that this value we putting this in equation here 4. Okay, so left hand side unchanged 3 pq square plus qr square and then plus pr square equals to 4 pm square. See that 4 pm square, that means 9 po square. 4 pm square we can write 9 pm square, 9 pm, and then 4 qn square we can write 9 qo square, 9 qo square, and again 4 rs square we can write 9 ro square, 9 ro square. Here have to common 9, then pm square and then plus qo square and then plus ro square. Okay, here see that if we divide by 3 both sides, we can get pq square plus qr square and then plus pr square equals to divide by 3, that means 9 by 3 3 pm square plus qo square and then ro square. Okay, then here see that proof complete. Here in this proof side must have here square, because in this says that sum of square of distance of 3 vertices from O. So po square qo square plus ro square. So here see that proof complete. We can write proof. I hope everybody clear this theorem. If you face any difficulty, you may ask me question anytime. Stay home and stay safe.